welcome to Varo TV, and in today's video we are going to be talking about increasing views on your YouTube channel. Now recently a lot of people have realized that the views on their YouTube channels have been decreasing, and it's not just you people, everyone has faced it, even we have. And the reason behind this is the change in YouTube's algorithm. YouTube now wants people to actually make more shorts. It is actually funneling people towards creating more shorts. Why? Firstly, it's much easier for them to handle shorts and larger number of people actually watching shorts. A lot of people who watch shorts stay on the platform. Why? Because shorts are smaller clips, but they're such fun clips that people keep on watching them on repeat, and that increases YouTube's revenue. That's right, and that is why YouTube has also created a shorts fund. Now we have spoken about shorts fund in an earlier video. Make sure that you check that out, and let's continue. So people want you to make shorts more. YouTube wants you to make shorts more. So why not make shorts more? So if you want to increase your channel views, you have to funnel shorts and funnel people through shorts to your main videos. How do you do that? So this is a trick that I haven't really told anybody, and it is one of the most fun tricks out there. What happens is you can use a small snippet of your main video as shorts, and what that does it allows you to take people from the shorts section and get them to watch your full video, which has not been getting views. But that's not it. The problem with long form content today is less number of movement. Yeah, that's right. A lot of times, a lot of YouTubers have a different way of presenting. A lot of YouTubers do not present by getting up, do not have any movement in the video, which basically is what short does. So a lot of people have gotten so used to reels and shorts that they are not used to people not moving in a video. That's right? If you see, I have small movements going on here, but at least it feels alive. And that is something you need to do. Make sure that you have more hand gestures. Make sure that you are moving in the video. Make sure there are some objects in your background that give it some level of dynamism. People want dynamism in videos, and you should do that. Also, yes, there has been an increase in competition in the lockdown on YouTube, and it is visible, especially in the content creation space, tech space, money space, and cryptocurrency space. So these are the spaces where people have been making too many videos, and that is why you may have been facing a smaller number of view count. What do you do? How do you fix it? Well, you keep on hustling, keep on going on. Every day you need to put one video. I know there are a lot of people who would suggest against it, and it may be true, but if you are in one of any of these spaces, right now it is a boom. Right now you need to make videos, you need to tell people who you are, and that is only possible if you create videos every day. Now this is how you can increase the views in 2022. If you did like the video, make sure to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the same. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.